Yes, my people, good day. Let's talk tires and tire wear. Are you throwing your money away in tires? Let's look at it. All right, this is a typical tire. So when I'm looking at the tire to read the tire to see if the alignment is right or if the air pressures are right, I am looking across to see what it looks like here. So I'm looking on the edge and then I'm comparing this edge to this edge. Now, if these outer edges are smooth and the inner bead is regular, normal, high bead, that means that I am underinflated. I'm running the tire too soft. Vice versa. If you look at it and you see that the middle bead is all worn out and smooth and then the outer beads are fine, that means it's overinflated. The tire has too much air in it. When you air it up, it starts to make like act like a bowl like this when too much air is in it, and vice versa. When there's not enough air in it, it's like so. So it's a convex and concave, right? One of them. So that's how you read it. Next thing I want to show you is the wear pattern on the edges, and it will tell me if I need an alignment or not. So I'm looking on this one here. It has a little bit, and this is the term. It's called feathering. So I'm running my picnic tapping eyes. So I'm running my finger across here and I feel it catching, snagging, and when I go in the opposite direction, it is smooth. Let me give you a close-up so you can see what it look like. Pick the top in the eyes. You see how there's this little ramp right here? See that little lip, how it flicks up? When you rub your hand across the tire like so, it's catching. And when you rub your hand in this way, it's smoother. I know it's difficult to see a little bit, but if you pay close attention, you see that it has like a little ramp. And what that does is it's wearing your tires down prematurely. So if you see that occurring on your tires, you need to go ahead and get an alignment so it to extend the life of your tire. But one of the reasons this particular vehicle is doing it, let me show you. See that? See that slight movement? See that slight movement? That inner tie rod is bad. Yeah, that bad. So long story short, this thing need tie rod end alignment, and that should curve the problem that we're having. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day, bless. Yeah.